plenty of drinking water here. No, I don't use it for drinking. I use it for cooking or washing dishes, actually. Yeah, this is fuck, where the hell is that kickstand? I'm used to the other bike. It's in a different spot. Anyways, guys, I'm going to shut you down while I get this water. No motor vehicles inside of here. Man, I really wanted to go through that river too. East Fork of the Sevier, I think is what it is. No stock allowed inside. So that means you keep this door Daddy! Oh, there she be. Like I said, you don't need to take water here. That's a good. I gotta tell you, man, it's windy. And it's cold today. I do have my rain gear with me. But, you know, fuck, we're going back by camp and I'm gonna drop off this water. And we might drive through that river, I don't know. That's awfully deep and that's very, very, very loose gravel at the bottom of that sand and gravel there. If you ain't careful, you get bogged down in there. When you go through, you gotta go through like a bullet. That's one thing about having a riding buddy. You can send him through first, see how his line is, and if he fucks up, then you can take the long way. I'm just saying, man. Well, we got a gallon of water. How about those peaches? I used to have, I got this little piece of rope at home. It's tied and it specifically carries like 2 gallons of water in front of you. Now, I don't have that particular rope, so we have to settle for this little old boy here. Just a single gallon. Dude, I drive by here. You'll come by this water place a couple times a day. I mean, to get a couple gallons, you're fucking good. Plus, you got the river running right next to you. You really don't need water, to be honest with you, but I guess it's better to use this water than the river water to rinse your dishes. I don't drink it. You could drink it. I would not hesitate to drink this water. But, okay, man, we're a little short here. So we're gonna do that. You try to keep it balanced between your legs, but sometimes she gets a little scatty-wampus, if you know what I mean. I gotta tell you guys, the bike is running. One thing, of course, I've only started it 2 or 3 times. It's starting a lot easier. Watch this. If your bike is not starting easy. Naturally, it could be the spark plug too, but not on this particular bike. This bike has only a very limited number of miles on it. Although, I would say by next year, a spark plug. But the gas can be starting to get bad, so it won't run perfect. You won't have the power either. Oh, now when you got the power, I can feel the difference. It's like night and day. I was gonna run it out bone dry, but I was at the gas station and I said, you know what? Put in some fresh gas. I didn't fill it up. I just put in like 7/10 of a gallon. It takes 2.1 gallons, I think. So we're just out here for a Monday afternoon ride. Decided to take a little bit of time off of work. We'll get back to the poker tables once I get back to Las Vegas, Nevada. Yeah, it's raining right now, gentlemen. Don't fear, Daddy's got rain gear. No pun intended. I wasn't expecting to have to stop already for fucking put on my rain gear, god damn it. Let's stop near this umbrella. And reassess and reevaluate the situation. It's not raining terribly bad, but it could rain pretty bad in a very short period. And I will put my rain gear on because I am very familiar with this area. There's a Canada geese down there with their goslings. Boy, they're living the life here, man. They look a little apprehensive. You know, we got those same geese in our home city. You know what I'm saying? Near the in the parks and shit. Those geese, they said, fuck that, flying south for the winter. We're just gonna stay here. They live in Vegas year round. Fuck it. They said, fuck it. Fuck the commute. We're gonna be fucking, what do they call those things? Snowbirds? That's where people up north come to the south. People up north come to the